really happy with them. I never thought it would be this good. I mean, I never wanted to have false teeth. Nobody wants to have false teeth,
Sure.
where you have to take them out, so forth. And once they were in, and you know, after a few days or a week or so, once you get used to them, it's just like your own teeth, your original teeth, only better because they don't decay. This all-on-4, it was really easy. You went in and they pulled all the teeth. I was under sedation, whatever. And all the teeth, put the anchors in, pegs, whatever, and then put the plate in, the teeth, the temporary. And then I walked out. I'd definitely do it. I wouldn't hesitate at all, because the way the outcome was, I couldn't have hoped for anything better, really. I'm not just saying that because I have to live every day, and for the past 9 years, I've been living with my set of teeth, uppers and lowers. And it's no trouble at all. Less trouble than my own teeth, let's put it that way.